In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free website using HubSpot's AI website builder in just 15 minutes. This is a fantastic option for anyone looking to establish an online presence with a hassle-free setup. We're going to walk through this process step by step to ensure you can follow along easily. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the HubSpot user guide. You can access this through their website, where you'll find a wealth of resources to get you started. The user guide serves as the foundational tool we'll be using throughout this process, giving us access to the necessary features and information. Once you're on the HubSpot platform, look for the option labeled Website Pages. You can find this in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Website Pages takes you to the section where all the magic happens. This is where you'll manage your existing website pages and, of course, begin creating new ones. Now that you're in the Website Pages section, the next step is to click on the Create button. This can be located usually at the top right of your screen, providing you with the option to start the process of building a new website page. Once you click on Create, you'll be presented with various options to choose from, thanks to HubSpot's user-friendly interface. Continuing, you'll want to click on Choose a Template. HubSpot offers a range of templates that cater to different business needs and styles. Templates serve as the blueprint of your website, allowing you to have a basic structure in place that you can customize to your liking. Take a moment here to browse the available templates and select one that resonates with your vision for your website. Choosing the right template is a crucial step, as it sets the tone and feel of your site. As you select a template, you're now ready to start the customization process. This is where you'll be adding your personal touches, including text, images, and any other elements that represent your brand. Remember, the key here is to make it align with your brand identity. HubSpot's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes this process straightforward and efficient. Throughout these steps, it's important to remember to periodically save your progress. HubSpot generally auto-saves your work, but it's always a good habit to manually save to prevent any loss of your hard work. With your site customized and content added, you're now ready to preview your creation. Make sure everything looks as expected and functions correctly. Once you're satisfied with your website's appearance and arrangement, the last step is to publish it. With a simple click, your website will be live for the world to see. There you have it, a basic overview of creating a free website using HubSpot's AI website builder in record time. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for you as you embark on your website building journey. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore HubSpot's support options. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.